Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah. Thank you for clicking on my video. Let's get started. Today's video is going to be my first ever Ulta high. Let's get started. I went shopping last night. I don't know what I bought. I just kind of picked stuff that I wanted. So let's see. Oh, first it was buy one get one free. So I decided to get this Real Techniques body sponge. No, I'm not going to use it on my body. I'm going to use it on my face because the bigger the better. I've never tried the body sponge, so I'm excited to try this. As the buy one get one free, I got the Real Techniques case because I've always wanted a case because I usually just have the sponge just sitting out, just asking to get bacteria on it. So now that won't happen because it's got a secure place to live. You're welcome. Next, ooh, I've never tried this before. This is the Shiseido, I think that's how you say it, eyelash curler. I have heard nothing but good things about this eyelash curler. I've heard that it's the best one out there, so I'm pretty sure it is, but we'll just have to find out, won't we? Okay, what's next? Ooh, I grabbed the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter, and this is the shade Glazed Donut. Oh my gosh, we have to open this. I've seen this all over YouTube, and I've wanted it, and I've literally never seen it anywhere, and then last night I just walked into Ulta staring me in the face. I've never owned an Ofra highlighter before. Oh my goodness. It's so buttery. Oh, super excited about that. I'm excited about everything here, if you can't tell. I got Clarisonic exfoliating brush head because Mama needs to get that dead skin off of her face. Yes! Okay, this is new. It's by Tarte. It is their new primer. It is called Base Tape Hydrating Primer. And I put it on my hand in the store. It just totally smoothed them out, made them feel nourished and hydrated. I have dry skin, so I'm really interested to put this on my face. Make it like a silky canvas. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm a sucker for packaging. Look at how cute that is. So see, it's kind of milky like that. And just rub it in. And it's super nice. And it smells like coconuts because I believe it's infused with coconut. I don't know, but there's coconuts in here somewhere. So this is the Revolution, oh my god. Revolution Fast Base Concealer. Lightweight buildable coverage to conceal dark circles and imperfections. Well, clearly I'm not going to use this as a concealer. It was regularly $8, I believe. It's on sale for $5, so I decided to pick it up. I'm gonna attempt to use it as contour. Ooh, next, you watch Tati. You should go follow her. Go watch her videos. She's awesome. She talked about this in one of her best of 2018 videos. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Volumizing Lip Booster. It smells a little minty. So it's just like a nice pinky nude shade just to add that little like, ooh. So I picked up this foundation. It's been all over YouTube. It is the Maybelline Superstay up to 24 hours foundation. Should I try it for 24 hours or will they give me acne? It's supposed to have full coverage. It's part of the Superstay collection, which so is this. These are my favorites. See? They match. Ooh, Lancome Definitials mascara. I got the trial size. This was literally the first product I ever bought from Sephora. I think I bought it in like, was it 8th grade or was I a freshman in high school? I used to love this mascara. It's lengthening. It's beautiful. It feels like an oldie but a goodie, and I haven't used it since then. Can you guess what this is? If you don't know makeup, you probably won't know. But this is NARS blush. Open it. I have never owned this before. Orgasm. I'm a sucker for blush. Oh, yes. Next, I have the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, and this is in the shade Smoke and Whistles. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I'm obsessed with the Flexitarian shade of this. They're so creamy and buttery, and they feel like a baby's butt. It's gorgeous. I'm obsessed with these. I'm interested to try this out because it is the Sugar Pill liquid lip color, and this is in the shade Vertigo. It's a matte and sparkle liquid lip. It doesn't say it anywhere on the box, but on the stand it claims the longer you wear it, the more it sparkles. So it goes on matte, it says, but the longer you wear it, it sparkles. This is what it looks like, and this is interesting because does it not look like the same exact packaging as Jeffree Star? I don't know who came out with this first, but somebody copied somebody. I'm okay with it because I love the packaging on both of them. Like, I love this type of bottle. And, oh, Jeffree Star, oh my gosh, look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay, not a part of the video. So let's go ahead and swatch this. It's like a purpley mauve-y shade. Ooh, and it smells like orange creamsicle. It's going on matte. You can tell that there's definitely flecks of glitter in there. Ooh. So I picked up this from Revolution Makeup. It is their jelly highlighter in the shade Prestigious. So this is like the jelly highlighter that everyone has been raving about. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is gorgeous and creamy, and oh my gosh, I'm just gonna rub this. Like just a little here, there. This is like a dupe for the, what is it called? Versali? I have 2 things left. Also from Revolution, I got this stick foundation. This is the shade F4. I've always wanted to use a stick foundation. I have tried the Hourglass one, did not like that. Clinged to all of my dry patches, so we'll see how this one works. And last but certainly not least, I got the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. Why do I have such a hard time saying that? This is in the shade Set to Stun. And oh my gosh, are you kidding me? It's gorgeous. Okay, for some reason it looks really orange. It looks like a pumpkin on camera, but it's not. That was everything that I got from Ulta. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I post a video, and then you can come watch me. If you like this haul, stay tuned for my next video where I will use everything and try it all out and tell you what I think, and we can see how it looks. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!